Good afternoon, I'm Hemant with Active Intelligence Server. Very warm welcome to Active Intelligence Server series video for analytics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Active Intelligence Analytics tool to create powerful analytics. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to get started with Active Intelligence Analytics tool, how to create different views like charts and graphs using multiple axes. Finally, we will learn how to save and share analytics with other users. Before we start, we must have a couple of things in place. First, we need to have login credential to access Active Intelligence Server with appropriate privilege. Second important thing we require is database. This can be in different formats, for example SQL, Oracle, CSV. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will be analyzing data from World Database, which stores the geographic and demographic information. To create new analytics, log on to Active Intelligence Server using your credentials. Once logged on to the server, select Dashboard from the main menu and then select Analytics. Click on Create Analytics to start analyzing your data. Once clicked on Create Analytics, you will be prompted to the Select Dataset pop-up window. Select the desired dataset from the available list of dataset. Move the selected dataset using the right arrow key to the selected box onto the right-hand side. Hit Submit button to proceed to the next step. In the dataset columns, all the available fields will be visible for the selected dataset. Dataset name will be displayed on the top and field's name in the dataset column box. Now we have enough information to start analyzing our data. In this example, we want to analyze world population and total surface areas available to each continent. First of all, we are going to find out total number of population. In order to do that, we are going to drag and drop the population field from the dataset column and drop it under values. The values window will pop up. Since we want the total of population for each continent, select the sum aggregator from the drop-down list on Aggregator tab and select population field from the drop-down list on the column tab. Update the name to say population. Once all the fields are completed, hit apply and you can see the results instantly. The figure we are seeing here is the total population in the world. Now, in order to find out the distribution of population by continent, we are going to drag continent field from dataset columns and drop it under rows. The results get updated instantly, showing us the total distribution of population by continent. Let's try to analyze how the population are distributed by region. In order to do that, we are going to drag region field from dataset columns and drop it under continent in rows. If you notice, all the numbers are updated instantly, giving us clear pictures on population distribution. All the Active Intelligence Analytics comes with drill down capability. You can start deep exploration by clicking on numerical values in Data Table to see the Detailed Data View. Detailed Data View is interactive as well. You can shuffle the column positions and sort the columns in ascending or descending orders. You can always use Help menu by clicking the Help icon on the top right corner of the pop-up window or by clicking the Help icon on the floating bar in Analytics. With Active Intelligence Analytics, you can create multiple views like charts and graphs using the same database for best analytics experience. Click on the plus icon next to the data table. We'll open up new Add View window. Please provide the name for this view. In this example, we are going to call it Population Distribution. Select Chart as type. Hit Add to create a new view. You will notice that the new tab has been added with a given name. From the editor window, select the pie and donut as main chart type and pie as subtype. Select Formatting tab next to the Charts tab from the top menu. Select Sum from Aggregator drop-down menu and Population as arguments. Drag continent from data columns and drop it to the category X series. Hit Submit button to see the finished pie chart. In this example, we can see that Asia has nearly 61% of world's population compared to the other continents of the world. Active Intelligence Powerful Analytics tool enable users with powerful features to analyze data how they want it, giving total control over their data. You can even take away part of charts and the data will get recalculated accordingly. Let's take a look at how to create multiple axes. We will create chart view using the previous steps and name it surface population. This time we will select column as main chart type and cluster as subtype. Under Formatting tab, change the aggregator value to sum and arguments value to population. Drag continent from data columns and drop it to the category x-axis. Click on plus sign on series to add second series and plus sign on value y-axis to add axis 2. Change the aggregator value to sum and arguments value to surface area. From the left menu, select series. Make sure series 2 is selected from the top right corner. Change type to line and fill alpha to 0.4. Change the title value to say surface area. From the top right corner, change the value to series 1 and change the title value to say population. Select Value Axis tab from the left menu bar. Please confirm the top right corner value is set to axis 2. Change the position value to right from the drop-down menu. Hit Submit to finish the formatting. Having second axis is always handy and can really provide some valuable information. In this example, you can see the first axis on the left-hand side shows the total population by continent, while the second axis on the right-hand side shows the total surface area by continent. These type of charts are really helpful for better analyzing and visualization. You can switch between the axes easily or view as a single charts altogether for comparison. Active Intelligence Analytics tool comes with built-in zoom-in capability, which will enable users to explore data easily, especially useful when you are analyzing large numbers of data. Underlying data can be exported easily in various formats so that you can analyze the data itself to find valuable information within your data. Annotation is a great way to express your discoveries or concern to the relevant members of the team. You can even add shapes and text to send the message across along with your findings. You can share the same with your clients and business partners, or download them as PDF to circulate the copies. Finally, to save analytics, click on the Save button and give your analytics a name. Your newly saved analytics is available immediately and can be accessed from Analytics tab under Dashboard. If you would like to share your analytics with other users, please follow the instructions. Click on the grid view from the floating bar. Please make sure you are in Analytics to have the correct floating bar. Select the desired analytics which you would like to share by checking the box on the left-hand side. Select the share icon from the footer menu bar, or use the right-click options and select Share. The new Share pop-up window will open, which will have the name of the analytics you are about to share. Select the roles and users you would like to share this analytics with, and move them to the selected box onto the right hand side. Hit Share to start sharing your analytics. You will notice that the share icon next to the checkbox appears to say that this particular analytics have been shared. Thanks for tuning in. Through this tutorial, I want to make sure that people who are new to Active Intelligence Server gets the basic understanding on how to use Active Intelligence Analytics tool. Please comment below or leave the feedback, which will help us to create better video in future. Connect with us using social channel to stay informed on updates. Thank you for watching.